Well, member.
What? Oh, you're doing that.
Okay, what day is it? It's 9:30. This is our basic plan. And I guess in 48 hours from now will be Friday morning. So in 60 hours time, this will be over.
Well, sort of. Then your
Hasn't
job
even
will just
started
be
yet.
Beginning.
Yeah, no, that's quite right. And then the job begins. We'll see you at U-Haul. Now this might seem crazy to some people, but when you go on a photo shoot with Lee Savage, this is the kit that comes. We have Kino flows, Pugil sticks, Bear, Source 4s, Mole Richardsons, the ubiquitous Yetis at the back, of course. Are you ready for the chaos that's about to happen?
No, I'm not at all.
You haven't even been well, you've been volunteered.
I saw that. No.
I don't know if you've been volunteered or voluntold.
Voluntold. Oh my gosh, that's a new one.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells,
So here we are, in our finally got everything out of the truck, and it is, as usual, a bomb site. Eddie's here, exercise stuff, got my workstation set up on the camera, I've got a time lapse going. But I think what's been very funny is everyone's been like, how much stuff is he bringing? This is insane. He's only coming in to take a picture. Nobody's seen the Lee Savage picture. But this is it now.
This is insane.
So this is Katie's first reaction to when I say I've got a lot of stuff.
You really weren't kidding.
I really wasn't.
I have never seen so much stuff.
I did try and implore on you. There's a lot of stuff. So it's the morning of, and I was setting up with Quantum till 8, 9 last night. It's getting there. But like last year, we're going to be building it as we go, which, you know, adds that flair of nerves about it, I guess. So, we will see you in Quantum in about an hour. And we are back. Now, Amber's genius idea of putting up wrapping paper on the back. So instead of the mirror taking us to infinity, it actually closes the space in. This is Iris. It's our first
victim.
Would you call it victimhood?
Victimhood, yeah. Yeti victimhood, yes. Do you want Iris to have a hat too? No, because then I would bald. They wouldn't hear. Yes, actually. Good call, Katie. Can I fix you? I can actually hear you. Oh, sorry, I'm fixing you. Even better. You're not a Klingon from Star Trek. Like, that's what it sounds like.
More
Thank you so much, Yeti. This was amazing.
Hi.
I loved it. Thanks.
Victim?
Oh, no.
Volunteer?
Oh, no. What are you going to do now?
Oh, we're going to make you do some silly things. How long have you got?
You said 15, 20 minutes?
Okay, we'll get you done in and out.
Okay.
And this is Becky's daughter, which nobody's ever met.
It's Olivia.
How you
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
doing? We have a nurse's outfit
Yes.
Yep.
Nurse's outfit.
And
nurse.
and nurses.
and nurses.
Cortisone injections and pills.
All right, okay.
You gotta have this open.
In fact, Becky, can you do, you know the John Lennon carpet adverts?
The what?
my god, don't have her do that.
You know, that's it.
Oh, the carpet guy. The naked
Dawn Bailey.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, so I have to.
Yeah. Yep.
That's it.
Instantly.
Gonna go for a shot.
So happy.
Becky, no Becky.
No big deal.
Okay, I think you're good.
In the gym.
You need a hand? Just keep rolling, you'll be fine. Down the stairs.
And we have our next victims. Well, you're not really victims, are you? You're willing participants.
Willing participants. Exactly.
Who have come exceptionally well dressed.
Where do we pick that check up on the way out, by the way?
Oh, at reception.
Just right
It's
down
got
there?
your name on it, you know.
We'll fill in the zeros, don't worry about it.
Our two latest, I'm not calling it, what are they called? Willing participants. I quite like it. All right.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What are we doing? How adventurous do you want to get? So unadventurous is being up on here, doing something. So you can be.
Oh, watch yourself, man.
Okay. Show us again that one. Our lawyer and
Everybody's like, yep.
yeah, that's.
So then I got, well, this goes for this, but then because everybody also knows I never work out, so I could do something like that, really funny, and put me on something that doesn't operate.
Danielle, what have you done?
Stop it.
Is it Danielle?
Yes.
Listen, Danielle just had our first earthquake here in South Florida. And you had us,
I have a weak bladder.
see, I was trying to help you cover it up. Didn't work so well.
Actually, there are some things I can check while we're doing this.
Oh my God. You look like Oscar the Grouch.
Alright, I feel like it right now.
Especially considering she was sitting there.
Holy cow. I gotta fold the leg the other way.
Whoa! Down goes Frazier. Here.
You know, this is a good idea though for Christmas parties. Morale.
Except when you're the guy being stepped on. My morale's
I could be the other one hanging, stepping on it.
Some people pay for that. I would just enjoy it.
Make money.
my man.
You look like a business guy.
You know what? It's so funny. I have that same hat at home.
Really?
Yeah. I go to all my Christmas parties. I keep my shit.
That's it? Good.
Okay, so this is John, the genius, Alan. Of course, though, nobody claims to be a genius himself.
No,
If you do, then you're not.
I'm not.
So.
How about if you claim not to be?
Okay, how adventurous do you want to be, John?
Whatever you want, man.
That's the one.
That's it.
That's the one. Katie, your core strength's amazing. Look at the steely determination in her eyes. Oh, you're cheating. You gonna admit you're cheating?
I am cheating. Totally.
This went really, really well.
You enjoy yourself, Ben? I know you didn't really get the chance yet, but yeah. Woo! So, oh shit. Camera's doing what I'm feeling. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we're day 3 now of the Christmas card shoot. It's a bit tiring. Are you going for coffee?
I am Winter.
Boss of
24/7 Divers. Does all the paychecks and makes everybody laugh when I'm disgusting and dirty. She takes all my money. I mean, all the money.
All of my money.
Miss Threes has arrived and already done her shot.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Thank you for coming.
My pleasure.
Ready to
Thank
take a
you.
coffee in the morning?
Can't wait to see it. Cheers.
And now we're to Charles.
Now, I'm sorry to be ignorant, but what is the yellow blanket you're wearing?
It's a lift bag.
Oh, it's a lift bag. Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
So I'm trying to blow the lift bag with my lips and the tank's sitting right between my legs. And that's what is he doing?
Gotcha. Okay.
You can record this because then if it goes wrong, you've got it on. Alright, no, I need you pressing the thing.
Okay, yep.
Is it on? Okay, there, Winter. Yeah, it's on. Okay. Okay, so.
3, 2, 1.
Put your legs behind mine.
Behind your head. There you go.
Okay. Okay, you gotta come down a second. Okay. Okay, Dad, help. Thank you, Winter. And now you smell
Like my dad's sweat.
Oh, you've actually bought a proper. Oh.
Is that even?
That's even enough.
This is part of the holiday cheer, right?
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, now we have
Where
our.
am I going?
We gotta work you out. Come and see the image we have so far.
Oh my gosh.
So this is What is Engelmann?
Germany. Die Deutschen.
You're German.
Ja, ich spreche Deutsch. Und, nicht sehr gut.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna need to tidy up this desk at some
Oh, I
point.
could definitely dangle from these.
Do you want to?
I could probably.
Right, we got.
But hold on, I
No,
don't know.
that's it. You ready?
Yep.
Alright.
I needed to turn them around because they're backwards.
Just help me for a second. Down here. Step for you. Okay, you ready? Go.
For looks?
You bring everything?
I forgot the ice axe.
We have it on camera.
This shit sucks.
So, this is Nelson Dallas.
What's up?
Can we make fun of you now?
Yeah. Oh, because of the forget it?
No.
Oh.
Because, you know, we know that being 5-time memory champion was quite important to you.
It still is.
And you fucked it up because of your own.
Don't hurt him.
Because you were trying to do more than you needed to do.
Well, it was just a bad strategy plan.
You're the best one there. You don't
Listen.
need to prove it beyond just winning.
No, they changed the rules, so my thought process was to go at it this way, and I overcompensated.
So, sorry, so maybe I misunderstand, because I thought you got the names and you tried to remember 200 of the names.
They were words,
Oh.
but they changed the rules of that event. So I thought people would go for more. I thought it would be helpful for me to memorize more. But it ended up just being harder on me, and not many people even went that far. So
Yeah.
it was just a dumb.
You tried to do too much.
I don't do too much, yeah.
I think this is one of the lessons I've learned this year. Enough is enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't try to do too much. Yeah.
Don't try to do too much.
Unfortunately.
And in saying that, look where we are.
I am laughing so hard, Dad. I'm laughing so hard.
All right, here you go. You ready? African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. In other words, you don't have to do everything yourself.
You know, last time I was in gymnastics, I was about 8.
Okay, well, so here, and then you.
All right. Where should I put my
Okay.
Now whether I'm laying down again, I don't know.
Yeah, perfect.
Do you want my?
No, because of the cover Katie.
Okay.
It's so good.
And
There's Waldo.
Waldo's back. He's back! And he's going to be in the coolest position that we hadn't even thought of until he turned up.
far enough? Is my head going to be?
Actually, you need to.
Absolutely perfect.
Grandma got ran over by a reindeer coming home from Hammerjacks one Christmas Eve.
Oh dear.
Fortuna Düsseldorf. Number 1.
Number 1.
Numero uno.
Yeah, I think red just because it looks.
They're fine.
Okay,
Well,
you would
apparently I'm
like,
already losing in the shot, so.
would you like him here?
Hold on. Hold on. Fall back to him. Leg up in the air.
One hand off, the other hand flying in the air. The bugle thing broke. Oh shit, that's good. Oh my gosh, that's such a good one.
This is something you should never do indoors. And that will be 2018. Have a great Christmas, everyone, a new year, and get ready for 2019, because we got a lot planned.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy